So, you've decided to start a YouTube channel. Congratulations! But one of the questions you might be asking yourself is whether to use your own voice or a text-to-voice generator. If you're considering a text-to-voice generator, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, consider the cost. Some text-to-voice services charge per minute of generated audio, so this could add up if you're creating longer videos. Secondly, consider how realistic the generated voice sounds. Some text-to-voice generators can sound robotic or unnatural, which could be distracting for your audience. And thirdly, consider the selection of voices available. Some text-to-voice generators may only offer a limited selection of voices, which could limit your creative options. But if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort, there is a freer option right under your nose.
Hi guys, the tool that I'm going to talk about is the Read Aloud feature in Edge browser. So it's this feature here, comes default. It's absolutely free. So I've just opened up a Wikipedia page about Stargate. So if I click on the Read Aloud icon,
Stargate. Article. Talk. Read. Edit. View history. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia.
so I'll just pause it there. So you can just see, just out of the box, the voice sounds pretty realistic. And what we have is a lot of voice options. So if I drop down this and look at the particular voices that we have, we can see that we have Microsoft Liam from Canada. So if we select him as a voice, let's just hear what he sounds like.
Encyclopedia. This article is about the franchise. For the film, see Stargate, film. For the device itself, see Stargate, device.
Which, yeah, it's not too bad. So the one that I really like myself is English Australian. So we got Microsoft Natasha, English Australian. So if we select her,
Device. For other uses, see Stargate, disambiguation. Stargate. Official franchise logo.
so that's the tool itself. And you can actually, when the tool's open, you can actually select the text and start again from that location.
This article is about the franchise. For the film, see Star.
So this tool has so many voices. Now you're thinking, oh yeah, well, what am I going to do with it? So in terms of YouTube, if you're interested in generating text to voice for your YouTube videos, you've already probably seen that a lot of people are using ChatGPT to create their script. So this is no different. So, or you can write your scripts from scratch. That's not a problem. But the first step is to actually get some text so that we can generate the text to voice. So if we go in here, create a story about Star Trek. This will just generate some text. We don't need that much, so I'm going to stop. So we just need this top bit here. Since we're still in Edge, you can actually use the reader here.
Model, default, GPT 3.5. Create a story about Star Trek. Once upon a time.
So that's good, right? I like that. That's because it's free. If we choose, just say another one, English India. Let's see what that sounds like.
Once upon a time, in a far-off corner of the universe, there was a group of explorers aboard the USS Enterprise.
Yeah, and I think that sounds pretty good as well. But then the problem now is, what if I want to change my text? Like you've got the you've got this tool within a web browser but I actually want to have my own text in there. You know, firstly, what you can do is you can actually type or copy and paste whatever your text was, and then once the text is on the screen, yeah, she can just run from there.
I am the best.
So, you know, that's pretty cool. But what if you wanted a little bit more flexibility? You can actually get ChatGPT to create a website for you, and that's how we are going to be able to modify the text a bit more easily. So in this step, I will ask ChatGPT to generate a HTML page for me. Generate HTML page. So that's pretty much done what I needed. I just need the outline, so I just copy that code, and then I open up, or I'll create I create an HTML page. So just say anywhere, you just go new text file, text to voice as an example. Make sure you name this HTML. This will be important because we're going to be opening in Edge a bit later. So, yep, just go yes. Then open with Notepad originally because we want to edit the text. So now that we've got that there, we paste that code that we got from ChatGPT. What we can also do is get rid of that. We don't need it. All the text within the P tags, these things here are called P tags. Just copy and paste whatever text that you want to generate. So then, if we go back to ChatGPT, grab this text as an example, copy that, go back to page, paste that code or paste the text, Control save. Now that we've saved and open this in Edge, and here is our generated page. So we can just use our voice editor, read aloud tool.
Welcome to my HTML page. It's great to have confidence in yourself and your abilities, but it's important to remember that
So that gives us the ability to choose any of these voices that we want. So let's just choose this United States one. Start again over here. What does that sound like?
It's great to have confidence in yourself and your abilities, but it's important to remember that everyone has...
Yeah, so that's awesome, right? So now what we can do if we wanted to change the page is go, instead of great, or if you know the voice doesn't say it's properly and you want to change it to it is fantastic. Let's just save that, go back to our page here, refresh this page, and you can see the text changed, and then read it again.
Welcome to my HTML page. It is fantastic to have confidence in yourself.
So now that you have the ability to generate voice from text, and you got a variety of voices, the last stage is to actually record that voice. I use Audacity to do that, but that's all for now for this video. Thanks for watching.